Hello friends, this is another lecture based on Laplace transformation. In today's lecture, we will study unit step function, Laplace of unit step function and second shifting theorem. The unit step function is defined as ut minus a is equals to 0 when t is less than a, 1 when t is greater than equals to a and a is always greater than equals to 0. And the graph associated with this particular term is written here. The Laplace transformation of this unit step function is LUT minus a equals to e raised to power minus as upon s. The second shifting theorem based on this, that is, if Laplace transformation of ft is equals to fs, then Laplace transformation of ft minus a ut minus a equals to e raised to power minus as fs. Now we are moving on to some example based on this particular phenomena. That is, in this particular phenomena, either problem is in the form of unit step or we have to make problem into the form of unit step, then after we can apply second shifting theorem. The first question is, express the following function in term of unit step function. Ft equals to t minus 2 when t lie between 2 to 3, 4 minus t when t lie between 3 to 4. Also find its Laplace transformation. So in this particular problem, it is directly stated that we have to convert this function in term of unit step function. So see how to convert this function in term of unit step function. Write this t minus 2. Now we have to write t minus lower limit minus t minus upper limit. That is u t minus lower limit minus u t minus upper limit. That is t minus 2 u t minus 2 minus u t minus 3. Again add this term 4 minus t minus lower limit and t minus upper limit. That is u t minus 3 minus u t minus 4. Now simplify it. We can write it as t minus 2 u t minus 2 minus t minus 2 u t minus 3 plus 4 minus t u t minus 3 minus 4 minus t u t minus 4. We can find Laplace transformation of a function in term of f t minus a into u t minus a. That is, it should be t minus a, not a minus t. So we can convert this 4 minus t as t minus 4, and in these two terms we have u t minus 3 as a common. So t minus 2 u t minus 2, taking u t minus 3 as common, minus t minus 2 minus 4 plus t, and minus minus plus t minus 4 u t minus 4, or t minus 2 u t minus 2. This is 2t minus 6, or we can take 2 outside. So 2t minus 3 u t minus 3 plus t minus 4 u t minus 4. So this is required unit step form of the given problem. Unit step function. Now we have to calculate its Laplace transformation. So applying second shifting theorem. So what is the Laplace second shifting theorem? Laplace of ft minus a ut minus a is equals to e raised to power minus as fs, where Laplace of ft is equals to fs. So Laplace of this particular function, Laplace of ft is equals to Laplace of t minus 2 u t minus 2 minus twice Laplace of t minus 3 u t minus 3 plus Laplace of t minus 4 u t minus 4. So what is a in this particular case? A is 2, So e raised to power minus 2s and Laplace of f, Laplace of t, ft. That is, in this particular case, we have to identify ft. This t minus 2 work as ft minus 2. If we remove this minus 2, then this will convert into ft. That is Laplace of t. In this particular case, minus 2 e raised to power minus 3s, Laplace of t, and in that particular case, plus e raised to power minus 4s, Laplace of t also. And the Laplace of t is 1 upon s square. So we can write it as, in each case, 1 upon s square can be taken as a common. 1 upon s square e raised to power minus 2s minus 2 e raised to power minus 3s plus e raised to power minus 4. So this is the required solution for this kind of problem. So the second question is, find the Laplace transformation of ft equals to sin t minus pi by 4 when t is greater than pi by 4, 0 when t is less than pi by 4. So we will start it as previous question work. That is, first we have to convert this into the unit step function. So write this sin t minus pi by 4. Now t is greater than pi by 4. So we can write it as pi by 4 is less than t. So no upper limit exists, just we have to write u t minus pi by 4. That's it. Plus 0 into minus u t minus pi by 4. So this is 0. So this will convert into entire function as a 0. So the unit step condition for this function is sin t minus pi by 4 into u t minus pi by 4. Now applying second shifting theorem. Applying second shifting theorem. So Laplace of given function is equals to Laplace of sin t minus pi by 4 u t minus pi by 4. Now what is a? A is this pi by 4. So we can write it as e raised to power minus pi by 4s and Laplace of ft. So what is ft? Remove this pi by 4. So what we get? Sin t. That is, we have to write Laplace of sin t. And Laplace of sin t is 1 upon s square plus 1. So this is the required solution of this particular problem. Now another problem is written here. Question number 3. Find Laplace transformation of t square u t minus 2. So here u t minus 2 is already given, but the function is not in the appropriate form. That is, we have to convert it in the form of t minus 2. Then first we have to make problem in the appropriate form. So for this we can write it as t minus 2 plus 2 whole square u t minus 2. So now we can open the formula of a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab u t minus 2 or t minus 2 square u t minus 2 plus 4 time of u t minus 2 plus 4 time of t minus 2 u t minus 2. Now this is in the appropriate form. So we can apply second shifting theorem. So Laplace of ft is equals to Laplace of t minus 2 square u t minus 2 plus 4 time of Laplace u t minus 2 plus 4 time of Laplace t minus 2 u t minus 2. So Laplace of ft is equals to, here what is a? A is 2. So we can write e raised to power minus 2s and Laplace of what is ft? Remove this minus 2, this will convert into t square. So we have to find Laplace of t square plus 4 time. This is Laplace of u t minus a, that is Laplace of u t minus a, which is equals to e raised to power minus a s upon s. So we can write it as directly a is 2, so e raised to power minus 2s upon s plus 4 times of e raised to power minus 2s and Laplace of t. Now the Laplace of t square will come from Laplace of t raised to power n, which is equals to n real upon h raised to power n plus 1. So e raised to power minus 2s Laplace of t square is 2 factorial, that is 2 upon s cube, plus 4 e raised to power minus 2s upon s plus 4 e raised to power minus 2s upon s square, because Laplace of t will find from it as s1 upon s square, or we can write it as e raised to power minus 2s, take as a common. Also 2 can be right outside the bracket, so this will be 1 upon s cube plus 2 upon s plus 2 upon s square. So this is the required solution for this particular problem. Hope you understand the content of this particular lecture. If you like this lecture, then like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.